Yeah, yeah, I do love you, my mom. Listen to my hope, please. Your absence makes me God do bad life. You deserve a crowd. Where can I find you to put it over your head? I should call you my hope, my love, my life. All I need is without you, where would I be? Cause you are my friend, I could speak my heart when I could see. Nothing can replace your love. I'm searching all over to find someone to replace you, but I don't find you. Still I preciously give me more. Please tell me where and when I will see your face. I pray and not for a moment like this. Yeah. From time to time I try to see you face to face, but I can't. What did I do wrong? Girlie, I'll do my bird next time around. Modo shop, modo too. Modo block, modo right, ugly, beautiful is modo. It's an important part, cause when you feel so love and respect her from hell you protect. Love mom doesn't have limits. Sanctuary LLO, she's been looking at you till you're a girl now. Without waste, you're not able to rewrite your for what she does to you. Only I can say it's LLO, only I do love you more. Yeah, vampire music. Vampire music. Can I get another done?